Welcome back to Get Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to download the official Windows 11 23H2 ISO file, that is latest one from the Microsoft. There are at least three methods that you can use to download Windows 11 latest ISO. Two is through Microsoft itself, and one is third-party tool, that is Rufus. Rufus is a very famous software that you can use for several purposes that you can find out from this software. I will just talk about how to download. First one method is you can download it through Microsoft official website. Just go to this one link. You will find links in the video description. Then scroll down till download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. In this section, you will find a drop-down menu. Click on this one and then select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. And after that, click on this one download now button. This will process, and again you need to select language for the ISO file. For instance, I will choose this one, English USA. Then click on confirm. Again, it will validate and give one link to download the file. It will be valid for only 24 hours from the date of creation. So use a perfect download manager that can complete your download in higher speed. Here you need to click on this one link, 64-bit download. This will start downloading the file on your PC. For instance, its size is currently 6.24 GB. Next one method is through Rufus. You can go through Rufus website and download this one latest file, Rufus 4.3. After downloading the file, just launch the application. Daily default, then click on this one close button. Again click on close button, then again run the process of Windows 11 downloading. Now you will see a pop-up window. In this, you need to select this one version Windows 11, then click on this one link button continue. It will take a few seconds, and then you have to choose version, that is latest one 23H2. Click on this one continue button. You need to select the edition. Here single option, then select one, click on continue. Again you need to choose the language, select a language, then click on continue button. Finally select here architecture, that is x64, then click on this one download button. It will now prompt to save your file on your Windows PC. Select a location on your PC where you want to save this one ISO file and click on the save button. This will start downloading the file from the Microsoft server, but it will be downloaded through Rufus software. Third one method is through Windows 11 Assistant that I have already downloaded. You need to navigate to the same Microsoft website. Here on the first section, Windows 11 Installation Assistant, you will see this one download now button. Click on this one button. This will download Windows 11 Assistant. Just you need to click a few next button and you will find an option to download Windows 11 ISO. You will see something like this one. After running the application, you need to select the agreement of the license, then click on this one next button. After that, you will find the option for USB flash drive and ISO file. Just select ISO file, click on the next button. It will prompt to select a location on your PC. Select a location and click on the save button. This will start downloading Windows 11 ISO on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.